So what's your favorite drink to mix up when you're hosting?
Mm, right now, I love anything peach, right? So, um, Island John just came out with this mango peach that I haven't tried it, but I'm looking forward to it. Um, but that they have one called it's apple guava.
Hmm.
It's amazing. No matter what you mix it with, it is amazing. But do not mix it too strong because one cup and knock you out. So I do like that. I enjoy Greenwood whiskey. Um, it is really really good. But most of the time, I'm a rum girl though. I'm
Hmm.
a rum girl, so a little rum, a little ginger ale. Keep it real simple. We don't have to get all extravagant. Now, as in being in working with culinary more and more, I see where they're add like cucumbers and pickles and all of that to drinks. Not my. I don't knock it for someone else. Just not. Do not put no vegetables in my drink.
Right.
Oh yeah, leave it out. But I'm still open, and so I'm still learning. I'm learning, especially like cigars and things like that. It changes your palate, so it's still more to learn. But for right now, that's what we are feeling. I'm a rum girl.
Okay.